ఎవరికన్నా వచ్చేస్తుంది ఏంటో ఇక్కడ. Okay, good morning to one and all. Today we discuss about proposition logic. Here, proposition logic PL is the simplest form of logic where all the statements are made by propositions. A proposition is a declarative statement which is either true or false. It is a technique of knowledge representation in logical and mathematical form. For example, it is Sunday. The sun rises from west. This is the false proposition. Okay. 3 plus 3 equals 7. This is false proposition. 5 is a prime number. Okay, as proposition. Here we have some basic facts about proposition logic. 1. Proposition logic is also called Boolean logic. Okay, it works on 0 and 1. Here in proposition logic, we use symbolic variables to represent the logic, and we can use any symbol for a representing proposition such as A, B, C, D, A, B, C, P, Q, R, and etc. Okay. And next, third basic fact: propositions can be either true or false, but it cannot be both. Proposition logic consists of an object, relations, or function, and logical connectives. Here, these connectives are also called logical operators. The propositions and connectives are the basic elements of the proposition logic. Okay, connectivity can be said as a logical operator which connects to two sentences. Okay, next point is always true is called tautology. And it is also called as valid sentence. And next one, the proposition formula which is always false is called contradiction. Okay, always true is called tautology, always false is called contradiction. A proposition formula which has both true and false values is called. A sentences which are questions, commands, or opinions are not propositions, such as where is Rohini, how are you, what is your name, are not propositions. Where is Rohit? It is not proposition. How are you? What is your name? These are not propositions. Okay. Statements which are questions, commands, or opinions are not propositions. Examples: where is Rohini? How are you? What is your name? Okay. Okay. Syntax of the proposition logic. The syntax of proposition logic defines the allowable sentences for the knowledge representation. Here we have two types of proposition. There are two types of proposition: atomic proposition and command compound proposition. Atomic proposition and compound proposition. Here, atomic propositions are the simple proposition. Atomic propositions are simple proposition. It consists of a single proposition symbol. These are the sentences which must be either true or false. Atomic proposition example: 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, it is an atomic proposition as it is a true fact. Okay, here 2 plus 2 is 4. It is true fact. Example 2: the sun is cold. It is also proposition as it is a false fact. Okay, the sun is cold is false fact. 2 plus 2 equal to 4 is a true fact. This is the examples of atomic compound propositions are constructed by combining simpler or compound propositions are constructed by combining using parentheses and logical connectivity. Parentheses and logical. For example, it is raining today and street is wet. Okay. Second example, Ankit is a doctor and his clinic is in Mumbai. And next, coming to logical connectivity. Here, what is logical connectivity? Logical connectivity is used to connect two simpler propositions or representing a sentence logically. Here we create compound propositions with the help of logical connectivity. Okay. Here we have 5 types of connectivities. There are mainly 5 connectivities. 1, negation. 2, conjunction and disjunction. Implication by condition. Negation. A sentence such as not P is called negation of P. Not P is called negation of P. A literal can be either positive literal or negative literal. Okay, this is the negation. Second, conjunction. Conjunction means a sentence which has a connectivity such as P and Q. P and Q is called a conjunction. For example, Rohan is intelligent and hardworking. Here it can be written as P equal to Rohan is intelligent. Q is Rohan is hardworking. What is sentence? Rohan is intelligent or hardworking. P is Rohan is intelligent. Q is Rohan is hardworking. Here sentence is not P and Q. Okay. P and Q. Disjunction. Disjunction. A sentence which has weak connective, such as P or Q. Okay, P or Q are symbol is called disjunction, where P and Q are the proposition. Here example disjunction example. Ritika is a doctor or engineer. Here we use R symbol. Okay. Last example and conjunction. Ritika is a doctor or engineer. Here P equal to Ritika is a doctor. Q is equal to Ritika is a doctor. So Ritika is engineer. So we write it as P or Q, doctor or engineer. And next fourth one, implication. Here P not Q is called implication. P implies Q. Okay. 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 And next one, by the condition. Here a sentence such as P equals Q is a biconditional sentence. Example, if I am breathing. Here, example, if I am breathing, then I am alive. Here P equal to I am breathing and Q equal to I am alive. It can be represented as P equivalent Q. Okay. P equivalent Q. These are the 5 logical connectivities: negation, conjunction, disjunction, implication, bicondition. Here symbols come to the symbol and symbol. This is under technical term conjunction and and B. Okay. Next R symbol. Disjunction here B. And next implies A implies A. Sorry, implies A implies B. And next bidirectional symbol. Equivalence or if and only if and only if IFF biconditional A equivalent B. Okay. And next not symbol. This is negation. Not here, not here, or not B. Okay. So these are the propositional logic connectivities. What are the different types of propositional logic connectivities? Conjunction, disjunction, implication, biconditional, negation. Negation symbol, not. Biconditional, if and only if. Implication, implies. Disjunction or conjunction and. Here in propositional logic, we need to know the truth values of propositions in all possible sentence scenarios. We can combine all the possible combinations with the logical connectivities, and the representation of these combinations in a tabular format is called truth table. Okay, is called truth table. Here negation truth table, P true, then not P is false. P false, not P is true. Conjunction true true true, true false true, P and B, P and Q, P is true, Q is true, P and Q is true, true false false, false true false, false false false. Here both conditions are true, then result is true. And remaining all cases, false. Okay. This is and. Next for disjunction. Here both are false, then PR key is false. Otherwise, result is true. That means true, 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 false, true, 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 false, true, false, false, false. Okay. Next implication. Here implication, both are true, then true, both are false, then result is false. Remaining cases, true, false, true is false, true, false, false, no, true, false is false, false, true is true. Okay. Next by condition. By condition means equivalent symbol, true, 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 false, 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 true, false, 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 true. Okay, the table for proposed logic connected is here. For negation, for conjunction, for distinction, for implication, for bidirection. No doubt. The truth table with three propositions. We can build a proposition composing three propositions, P, Q, and R. Is made up of 8 n tuples as we have taken three proposition symbols. Okay. Here example. P true, Q true. Okay. Then R true. Here we use three propositions, P, Q, R. Okay. Here P true, Q true, R true. That not R is false. Okay. Not R is false. PRQ. PRQ is true. PRQ that implies not R is false. Okay. See the screen. Okay. Now down all true. Hello. Now down all truth tables for negation, conjunction, disjunction, implication, biconditional, and a truth table with three propositions. And coming to precedence of conclusion. Here, just like arithmetic operator, there is precedence order for propositional characters or logical operators. This order should be followed while evaluating a propositional problem for operator. Here, first precedence, parenthesis, second precedence, fourth precedence, disjunction, or fifth precedence, implication. Precedent, implication, and guidance. Okay. Okay. Guidance. And next, coming to logical equivalence. Here, logical equivalence is one of the features of propositional logic. Okay. Two propositions are said to be logically equivalent if and only if the columns in the truth table are identical to each other. Okay. Here, let's take two propositions, A and B. A and B. For example, A and B. Two propositions, A and B. So for logical equivalence, we can write it as A equivalence B. Here, in the truth table, below truth, in the truth table, we can see that the column for not A or B and A implies B are identical. Hence, A is equivalent to B. A, B, not A, not A or B, A implies B. Here, A is equivalent to B. Here A is true, B is true, not A false, not A or B true, A implies B true. Next, true false, false true, false false, not A symbol, A false, true, true. FFT, not A or B, true, false, true, true. A implies B, true, false, true, true. Okay, this is a logical equivalence truth table example. Here, not A or B and A implies B are identical. Okay, so these are identical. So A is equivalent to B. Okay. Properties of operators. Next, coming to properties of operators. What are the different properties of operators? The properties of operators: commutativity, associativity, identity element, distributive, De Morgan's laws, and double negation elimination. Double negation elimination. Here, first one, commutative. Commutative. P here, P and Q equal to Q and P are P, and next one, P R Q equal to Q R P. Two cases, commutative. P and Q equal to Q and P, or P R Q equal to Q R P. Next, second property, associative. Associative. Here, P R Q R are equal to, sorry, P and Q and R equal to P and Q and R. Okay. P R Q R are equal to P R Q R R. Okay. Next, third one, identity element. Here, P and true equal to P. P are true equal to true. Okay, two conditions. P and true equal to P. P are true equal to true. Okay. Next, distributive. Here, distributive. P and Q are P equal to P and Q are P and R. Okay, this is the distributive. Next one, P R Q and R equal to okay. P R Q and R equal to P R Q and P R R. Okay. And next, De Morgan laws. De Morgan's law. Not P R Q equal to not P and not. Okay. Next, double negation elimination. Double negation elimination. Here, not of not P equal to P. And next, coming to limitations of proposition. Limitations of proposition are square. We cannot represent relations like all some are non with proposition logic. For example, all the girls are intelligent. All the girls are intelligent. Okay, to example. Proposition logic has limited expressive power. In proposition logic, we cannot describe statements in terms of their properties or logical relations. Okay. Okay. Another example, for example, so that the following is a valid argument. If it is humidity, then it will rain, and this is the given. Okay. Each part of the English sentence by proposing the now the formula are for corresponding to the given sentence. If it is humid, then it will rain. And since it is humid today, it will rain. Here may be written as A implies B or A implies B or A. Is that right? A implies B, humid or rain. It is humid, it will rain. A implies B or A, it is humid. And A, humid whatever. That is implies B, it will rain. Since it is humidity today humidity level and A plus B. That means humid అవ్వడం వల్ల వర్షం it will rain. If it is humid, then it will rain. And since it is humid today, it will rain. A plus B and A, that is implies the truth are alpha, that is A implies B and A implies B is as follows. Okay. A, B, A plus B, that is plus B and A. That means X implies A, that is equal to Q. A implies B and A implies B, that means Y implies B. Okay. Here A is true, B is true. then A plus B, true. And A plus B and A, true and A is true. And A plus B and A implies B. That means true, true, true. And second case, true, false. AB. A plus B means true, false is false. Second case, true, false. A plus B false. A plus B. And A is false. A plus B and A. M plus B is true. Next one. False, true, true. A plus B true. A plus B and A and F. True F equal to false. And Y M plus B. True M plus B. False is true. And H false, false. A plus B. True. And A false. That is implies. False, false is true. This is the example. Okay. Here, what here proposition logic or logic deals with the validity, satisfiability, also called consistency, and unsatisfiability. That means inconsistency of a formula and the derivation of a new formula using equivalence law. Here, each row of a truth table for a given formula, alpha is called its interpretation under which the value of a formula may be true or false. True or false. Okay. A formula alpha is said to be a tautology. If and only if the value of alpha is true. The validity, satisfiability, and unsatisfiability of a formula may be determined on the basis of a formula valid if and only if it is tautology. A formula alpha is said to be valid if and only if it is a total. Okay. A formula alpha is said to be satisfiable if there exists at least one interpretation for which alpha is true. A formula alpha is said to be unsatisfiable if the value of alpha is false under all interpretations. Okay. 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 This is the all interpretation. Okay. Hello. Very, very important topic. This is example. Example, truth table. Okay. Okay.